Hey guys, we're here again. Another day, almost finished for today. There's one crew over there. They're doing the TPO, and we have a lot of bands over here. This is a big roof. It's one of the largest roofs in Oregon. Part of what we are doing with the roofing deck, completely turn off and resheet the entire roof. Look at this old house after 20 years being like that with just underlayment. You can see it right there, even right here. So now it's time for a new roof, new plywood, and new look, of course. Look at that out there. It's gonna be super nice after this project is done, and of course I'm gonna post some good pictures after.